up, baby? We back with another one. Another great courier company. This is not a gig app. This is an actual courier company. You have to have your 1099 business already formed, but there's ways around that if you don't have your business license. And you go get started. You get these contracts, whether you drive a car, a truck, a van, a box truck, whatever type of vehicle you have. This company has routes for you, and they are hiring at a very high paying rate. So let's get into it. Let's talk about some of the things about this company. No long talk and no long intro. Let's get straight into the company. It is called Blue Streak. Yes, Blue Streak, not like the movie Martin was in a long time ago, but this is Blue Streak Fast Delivery Expediting. Yes, fast delivery expediting. If you need some things delivered, they work. Now, the thing about this company, as you see in the thumbnail and the title, this company is primarily in the Southeast region. So that's what they focus on. They focus on the Southeast region. I'm in Atlanta, so that's how I found out about them. Through looking on Indeed, yes, Indeed, and finding that they are on the Indeed and they're hiring in the Atlanta area, Atlanta space, okay? All right, so let's talk about some of the places they are in and how to get a hold of them and be a driver. So for Blue Streak, you come up to Courier. Boom, that's what I'm about on this channel. And also comment down below the city and state that you're watching this from, just in case this opportunity is not in your area. I want to find things in your area. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. So here you join our team, boom, under careers. And then here we're looking for professionals. Automated settlements twice per month. You get paid twice per month. Looking at it, independent contractor, insurance rates, independent contractor. So whenever you hear independent contractor, you have to have your own business formed with the state, but you can also have your business formed as a sole proprietor as well. Just have it in your name and then file a Schedule C when you do your taxes, and pretty much just take the deduction and everything as a self-employed person instead of having your business. But consult a tax professional. I know I do when I get everything formulated at the end of the year, actually around this time. So you see some of the things you need to have. Insurance requirements. These insurance requirements are standard pretty much in the courier space. If you're going to be a 1099 independent contractor, you need to have these insurance requirements. Every company I work for, from the smallest medical courier company to these big logistics companies like this, wants you to have 100, 350K. Just contact your insurance company. You can up it to that. And then, there are some tricks of the trade to kind of put that insurance in place. And then once you get the contract, if that insurance is too high, then you might not still need that insurance anymore. How do you have cargo insurance policy with 2,500 or higher? So you see all the things that they want. Do you have a local business license? Now, local business license, I know a lot of people hit me up, say, where do I get a business license for a courier? I've never needed a business license, but I have needed to have my business formulated in the state to get started doing courier work. Now, if you're doing DOT, you're going over the road, which some of these routes may do, then you may need your business license with the county or the registered city. But for standard courier work, you probably just get started with these people. You do not need to have a business license, but you do need to have your business formed in the state where you're operating in. And then, so business license is usually for hairdressers, tax professionals, things you have to have certain licenses for. Then that's what that is for. But just for courier work, for moving things from one city to the other, you do not need a business license. But I would just say yes, I have one, because if you have a state going with the state, then yes, you have a business license per se. All right, and then let's see what else they ask for. Tax ID number. That's your EIN number, mobile phone when you're available to work. Have you done this professional work before? Even if you've done Uber Eats, DoorDash, any type of package delivery where you use an app, find the route, and you have experience. So put yes for that. Hearing aid, you not necessarily need this, but if in driving a van, something larger, you may need at least a hand truck to move some things. And then you submit, and then like I always tell you guys, right after you submit your resume, go ahead and call the number. There's a 1-800 number right here at the top. Call that number, and also let's see if we can find an email. It's where we have an email address, and they have their social media. So I would send in the application, call, send in the message here, and send in the email. Reference hiring manager, driving director, HR manager, somebody that you can get in front of to expedite the process and let you know that you are serious about driving for this company. All right. So that's that. You see some of the things that they transport: auto parts, medical, last mile, dedicated, white glove, on demand, picking up stuff from the airport. But do remember that this company is in the Southeast mainly. All right. You see the service locations: Athens, Atlanta, a lot of places in Florida, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, Alabama. Some of these places. All right. All right. Made this video longer than it has to be. Boss up, boss up. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's get me up to 50,000 subscribers by the end of next month. All right. All right. Appreciate you. Later. We're gone. Boss up.